Hello everyone, my name is Tejeshwar. I'm studying in Bharat Institute of Engineering College and I'm staying in Boduppal. Today's topic is about Internet of Things, Internet of Things in vertical farming. Vertical farming is the practice of growing crops in vertically stacked layers. It often incorporates controlled environment agriculture which aims to optimize plant growth, soilless farming techniques. Conventional farming methods are not very efficient as these methods require vast amount of arable land which is running low at an ever increasing rate, and also huge volume of water are used for watering plants out which only small percent of its actual necessary. Vertical farming aims to solve these issues by adding an extra dimension to the space in which crops can be grown, and also use efficient methods in terms of resources used and space taken to grow crops. Vertical farming would be implemented in stakes within indoor settings such as warehoused and skyscrapers would built in appearance not unlike an indoor farm one could make in Minecraft. However, there are some critical factors that could play into making such a system feasible, such as the layout, which most often involves horizontal planes stacked vertically producing an increased yield. The most crucial element of this system is arguably the light required by the plants in order to grow, and since has been advancement in LED technology, this can be implemented efficiently to provide necessary radiations in form of wavelengths in the blue and red range for the efficient growth of the crops. And finally, the medium in which crop will be grown will most likely involve hydroponics, in which a plant will be submerged in the nutrient-rich water solution, which could be circulated and reused. IoT The implementation of IoT will allow for vertical farming to be more modular, having settings for different breeds of plants to be grown in such systems, and in addition to this, the computerization of the system will allow for the monitoring of health of the crop being grown. As such, this data can be collected within the database and well, as these data can be collected within the database and be used to formulate the appropriate settings required for the plants to thrive, the system will be able to control the lighting provided to the crops, the irrigation, humidity, and temperature to optimal suit the plant in question. The system will allow for efficient growth of the crops and would be able to decide the right growing condition for the crops in a smart manner, serving as a fully automated sustainable farming system that is easy to maintain. In conclusion, implementing vertical farming methods, even having such systems, replaces traditional farming. In the long run, would allow us to save more land and resources in the process producing crops. This in return would allow us to get more healthy yields and able to provide greater accessibilities to food for most of the world's population. Further, this idea and enhancing vertical farming system are IoT-based solutions such as PlantiCube at the forefront of this revolution, allowing the automation of these systems, making the management of the such systems easier and helping the operation of such farms massively. Thank you, thank you, friends.